but glasses are fine, watches, and other office supplies and daily necessities like toothbrushes and razor blades. So I'm pouring in the water. The machine only requires water, but you could use some cleaning supplies, but I just prefer on the safe side to use water. And it has a deep tank, but you're not supposed to fill above that maximum line there. And it must cover the items so that it can clean it thoroughly. It has a frequency of 50 kHz, which is more efficient with cleaning and able to remove stubborn stains. So I put the tray in the water and let it sink to the bottom, and then place the items on the tray. How I do that, and just smooth it down. And you can see this looks like skin, but this is actually lace there. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut this part and then swoop it. And that's just basically it. I love this hair color on me. I've never tried a hair color like this ever. So comment below what you guys think about this hair color, if you've tried it before, or if you would consider trying it or buying this wig or another color similar. But I think it looks good on my skin tone. I don't know.